Down, 2, 1, up. And then we want a spin in one direction. Tegan, and you need to go through that hoop, Right. It is that. She will. And a sit. And a three. And the other. I got. We are 2, 1, go. 2, 1, 360, all the way around, kind of ish. I want a little bit more. That's it. Move your dog through, don't drag them through, shake it. Good time. Brilliant. Okay, through that hoop. Just to remind you that you can get pins and Greg's toilet, which I mentioned this perhaps an hour and a half ago. Our event just over here, so I'm pointing the
Drop it.